Hello everyone, welcome to my second drawing demo video. Are you ready to draw? Before I move forward, I would like to say a special shout out to Lacey Elementary School, Raleigh, North Carolina. I painted a number of murals there, and just like to say thanks and hello to my Lacey peeps and everyone in Raleigh. I've been going there for the past 10 years painting murals. I love it there. So thank you, Lacey. Also, another thing, I rewatched the first video from yesterday, and I noticed myself, I touched my nose twice, and we shouldn't be doing that. So I just want to reassure you that before filming, I wash my hands at least 2 birthday songs lengthwise, and I also disinfected our kitchen table. Okay? Alright, so I received about 30 mashup suggestions on YouTube and on Facebook. So what I've done is I've printed all of them and I cut them into little slivers of paper. So I'm going to randomly choose. And also I'm using this wonderful hand-drawn cup. This is a thank you cup from the Deca School in Wareham, Massachusetts. So, hello Deca School, and alright, I'm now about to choose one. Let's see what we're going to end up drawing. Okay, I'm going to choose, okay, alright, so, oh, cool, a pig pizza suggestion. This is, I believe this came from Facebook. It's from Susan Otte. So, wow, I can't wait to draw a pig pizza. Okay, so I have my sheet of paper. As you may recall, what I will do is I'll draw step by step, and I will show what I've drawn this way, and then we'll move forward. Keep in mind that you cannot erase, so that's the #1 rule. No erasing, because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. And I can't erase. I'm using a Sharpie. And before we go on, just want to say, what I'm drawing is just for a guide. You don't have to copy it exactly, so be creative. So again, we're drawing a pig pizza. All right, let's start. Just like yesterday, we'll draw sort of like a circle, but this one's a little flattened, okay, so an oblong. After you draw that, draw another oblong, sort of like in the center, for the pig's snout. Remember to pause the video if you need to catch up. Then add some details on the snout, maybe 2 lines. Alright, this is fun. Add 2 triangles for the cute ears, just like the kitty from yesterday, like that. And then, not a surprise, most of my characters have 1 big eye and 1 little one. Again, you don't have to draw your pig this way. Okay? After you do that, draw smaller circles within the bigger circles. We're going to start illustrating the pupils. And then draw even a smaller circle within the one that you've just illustrated. Okay? And then we will blacken or fill in the middle circles. So now the pig has some cute eyes. All right, and all my characters are happy. So draw a big smile, maybe with dimples. Cute pig. I encourage you to be creative. You don't have to do this, but you know what? I'm giving this pig a mustache. Alright, so we now completed the pig. I'll also add maybe little details on the ears. Okay, so the pig is done, or the head of the pig. So now we'll draw the pizza part. So the first thing you need to do for the pizza is draw sort of like a not so perfect bar across. This is for the crust. Alright, there you go. And after you draw the bar, remember to pause if I'm going too fast. Draw a triangle underneath the bar to create the full shape, I'm still here, of the pizza. Okay? It's super fun as well. Let's add some ingredients. I'll add some pepperonis. So add some random circles I'll show this in a bit. Within the triangle, add some pepperoni. Okay? And if you want, you can add some dots to add texture on the pepperoni bits. I don't eat beef or pork, so this is sort of like a vegetarian version for my pizza. Alright, so we've completed the pig pizza. If you want, you can add some more detail. So I'll add some hooves. So what I've done is I've drawn a square and then these two sort of like mountain-like shapes, and I filled them in. So think of the letter M. And I will repeat these shapes 4 times. Again, just a square and the 2 mountain-like shapes. I'm proud of myself. I don't think I've touched my nose yet. 3, 4. There you go. So now the pig pizza has hooves. And the last thing I'd like to add would be a curly tail. Tan-tan. And I will sign this as well. So you know, this will be mailed to Susan Otte, O-T-T-E. And Susan, when you get a chance, email me your address. This is my email address. It's smiley bee, it's a bit angled, at bataclan.com. Thank you and congratulations. So everyone, send your suggestions. I'll put them in this like adorable cup. Okay, the background may change. As you may recall, I am filming here in my in our kitchen. So yesterday I had this giant painting, and that's been there for years. A giant painting behind me, but I noticed that you weren't able to see the whole thing. So I decided to put Beanie behind me, but I keep blocking him. He's sort of watching over me. So I don't know quite yet how to deal with the background, but so the artwork may change. So this is it for today. I can't wait for the 3rd video tomorrow. Thank you very, very much, and happy drawing.